your roof is more than just protection, it's peace of mind. At Cicero Roofing Pros, we bring expertise, reliability, and top quality craftsmanship to every project. Whether you need a full roof replacement, emergency repairs, or routine maintenance, our skilled professionals are here to help, serving Cicero, New York, and surrounding areas. From family homes to commercial buildings, we specialize in durable, high-quality roofing solutions tailored to your needs. Our commitment to excellence means using the best materials, ensuring long-lasting results, and prioritizing customer satisfaction every step of the way. Roofing emergencies? We've got you covered. Our rapid response team is ready to protect your home when you need us most. At Cicero Roofing Pros, we believe in transparency, fair pricing, and delivering results you can trust. Ready to upgrade or repair your roof? Call us today at 315-870-1441 for a free quote. Let's build something strong together. Cicero Roofing Pros, protecting homes, securing businesses, and delivering excellence, one roof at a time.
Ready to upgrade or repair your roof? Call us today at 315-870-1441 for a free quote.